Hey, how's everyone doing? Shane Thomas here. We're going to do another review of the Partner with Anthony program. We're in session 9 and 10, so we're just about a third of the way through once we finish here. Again, just so much content here for someone to learn all this stuff. This is not a cheap program. This is something that obviously value here is up in the thousands of dollars, and you're getting it for $7, so you just can't go wrong. Anyway, session 9, what we've got: success has no shortcuts. Well, that's the truth. You've got to work for it a little bit to get there. This is not something that, it's not any get rich quick schemes out there. They don't work. This is not something like that. You've got to put in the effort, but the success you have and the feeling of success you're going to have is just insurmountable when things start working out for you. Again, you got to put the effort in. Moving down into the second module, we get into creating your own opt-in page. Now, there are opt-in pages provided for you within the program, but you might be doing some of the affiliate links in different programs or for different links. So you need to know how to build your opt-in page. And once you get that opt-in page, we're going to move down into here where we're creating split tests. When we get into that split test in the links or in your opt-in page, you basically, within ClickFunnels, you can do a second page. You can copy your page and then make some changes to that second page. You can then divide up the amount of traffic that goes to each. Usually it's 50% to each. And then after, say, about 1,000 clicks, it'll declare a winner. You can declare a winner and say, well, this was the best page. It's brought me the most clicks in. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. And at that point, go back to the one that wasn't working as well and maybe tweak that one a little bit. And again, split test it again. And you just keep going on that way until you get the absolute best maximum results that you can get from doing your split tests. Once we got the split tests coming in, obviously you're getting some emails. So you're going to be sending a broadcast email with it, which is just a general newsletter or email that you're sending out to your prospects to say, this is what's going on. Here's a link to maybe a product. And then again, that's using the broadcaster newsletter emails. I think ClickFunnels, or Russell calls it SOAP, or Seinfeld is the word I'm looking for. Seinfeld emails, where the story just goes on and never ends. That's basically what we're getting into. And again, using that new split test link is where we're going to find out what which is working better, and then how to move that around and make some better decisions on how we want to make that. So then we're getting into session 10 here. I'm just going to click on there. There it comes up. So we got our profit centers and revenue here. This is where you want to get in there, and Anthony's making sure that you've got your profit centers set up, which are basically your links into your Partner with Anthony program, or if you're an ambassador program, there are certain links that you can put in there. So these are going to be your affiliate links, say for ClickFunnels, for Get Response, for the different affiliate links that are available to you through this program. Traffic's explained. This is where he's going to go through different methods of traffic that you can use that are recommended. This is probably one of the most important things is when we get into traffic is how you're going to get that traffic to that opt-in page, whether it be through solo ads or, again, Facebook or organic or whichever method you might be using. Now, within Partner with Anthony, there is a what's called the internet um, um, traffic consultants. Um, you can schedule appointments in here, and then if you decide you want to use that, they're going to deliver some traffic right to your business completely free. If that's still available, I'm not sure if it's still available this time, but you might want to get in there quickly and see if it is. Schedule appointments with them. They're fantastic to talk to. They're easy to work with. They help you set up a program of where you're going to spend your ad dollars, or which methods you're going to be using to get through and get clicks into your funnels. So again, this is just a kind of a repeat go through here. Make sure you talk to these guys. Again, they're so easy to work with, and they work with you. It's not like um, they tell you exactly what to do. They work within your budget. If you tell them, well, like I can only spend 150 or $200 a month, or $100 a month, or whatever it is towards my ad spend, then they'll set up a program with you to work and say, this is where you should try to spend, get the most of your money out of here. So that basically is the conclusion of session 10. And again, we've got so many sessions to go through yet. Um, Fantastic information as we go farther along the way. So for right now, again, thank you for being here and watching this video. Do comment on the videos for me. Hit the subscribe button and notifications so you can see when the next video come out. Like I said, we've got 20 more to go through just to give you an idea what all this program is all about and what's included. Not going into great detail. That's something you need to go through once you get into the program and follow it. So for now, hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.